Alright, so I ran into a little issue with my 1996 Toyota Celsior. I only have one key for this vehicle. It's a UCF20, by the way. The one key obviously starts the car. This button right here got pushed in like so. It doesn't allow you to open the trunk. So there's a really easy way to fix this without having to tear any of your wire harnesses in here or go through the trunk. Really simple. Pop this piece off. You pull the screw out of there, the screw out of here. I also pulled the bottom screws that hold this black piece on. You can reach down and just pull this down carefully. Right under that little metal tab. Let's see if I can position you just right here so you can see it. Pull this over and just push down on the little lever. I'm actually going to push that up and away. Oh, it looks like I already got it. Very easy, just push that up and you push down and this will pop back out. One more time for example. Just like that. Pops out, you don't need to tear shit apart. Good as new. Trunk opens.